Hello friends, today we are going to start our next topic, that is design of tension member. It is most important part of a steel structure. Tension member are also known as tie members. The form of a tension members is governed to a large extent by the type of structure of which it is part and by the method of joining it to the adjacent member of the structure. In general, the section should be compact and in order to minimize stress concentration, it should be so arranged that as large portion of it as possible is connected to the gusset plate. The common shapes used as a tension member are shown in the figure. Shapes of tension member: single angle or double angle. Tension members are linear members in which axial forces act to cause elongation, that is stretch. Such members can sustain loads up to the ultimate load, at which stage may fail by rupture at a critical section. However, if the gross area of the members yields over a major portion of its length before the rupture load is reached, the member may become non-functional due to excessive elongation. Plates and other rolled sections in tension may also fail by block shear of end bolted regions. The factor design tension, that is T, in the members shall satisfy the condition or requirement, that is T is less than TD, where TD is design strength of the member. The design strength of a member under axial tension, TD, is the lowest of the design strength due to yielding of gross section, TDG, that is rupture strength of critical section, and TDN, the block shear, and TDP respectively. Design strength of a tension member: the design strength of tension member is the lowest of the design strength due to yielding of gross section, that is capital T DG, due to then rupture strength of critical section, that is TDN, and block shear. We see the steps of designing tension member. These are the tension member for type 1 angle section is given, in which the given data may be angle section of particular size, the diameter of the bolt, the thickness of gusset plate, the grade of bolt and grade of steel. Then step 1, D0 diameter of hole is equal to D plus 2 millimeter, that is diameter plus clearance. The specifications are given in table number 19, page number 73 of IS 800 2007. Then step number 2 is for FE 410, the value of ultimate strength, that is Fu, is equal to 410 Newton per millimeter square, and Fy, the characteristic tensile strength of steel, is 250 Newton per millimeter square. The value of Fu for particular grade of steel and Fy is given on page number 14 in table number 1 of IS code 800 2007. Then step number 3, find out the cross sectional area, that is AG, from steel table of particular section given for designing. Then step number 4, design strength due to yielding of cross section is given by TDG is equal to AG into Fy divided by rho m0, where Fy is yield stress of the material and Ag is cross sectional area and rho m0, that is partial safety factor for failure in tension by yielding. The value of rho m0 is 1.1. It is given on page number 30 in table number 5, and the formula of design strength due to yielding of cross section is given on page number 32 of IS code 800 2007, in which Fy, the value of Fy is 250 Newton per millimeter square. Next is design strength due to rupture of critical section, that is the for single angles, it is the rupture strength of an angle connected through one leg is affected by shear lag. The design strength TDN as governed by rupture at net section is given by TDN is equal to 0.9 ANC Fu divided by rho m1 plus beta A0 Fy divided by rho m0. The formula of design strength due to rupture is given on page number 33 of IS 800, where from the formula ANC is net area of connected leg is given by A equal to L1 minus D0 minus T by 2 into T, and A0 is net area of outstanding leg is given as L2 minus T by 2 into T. The dimensions or designation L1, L2 and G are given in figure. The beta is calculated as 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T into Fy by Fu into Bs by Lc. It should be greater than 0.7, where W is the L2 length of outstanding leg, Bs is W plus W1 minus T is equal to L2 plus G minus T, and Lc is center to center distance between the bolts, and beta should be less than or equal to Fu into rho m0 divided by Fy rho m1. These all formulas are on page number 33 of IS code 800 to 2007. Design strength due to rupture of critical section for plates is given on page number 32 of IS 800, that is TDN is equal to 0.9 ANFU divided by rho m1, where rho m1 is equal to partial safety factor for failure at ultimate stress is given on in table number 5. Fu is equal to ultimate stress of the material, and An net effective area of the member given by An is equal to B minus N dH plus algebraic summation of psi square divided by 4gr into T, where B and T width and thickness of the plate respectively, dH is equal to diameter of the bolt hole as bolt hole 2 millimeter in addition to the diameter of the hole in case of directly punched hole. G is gauge length between the bolt holes. Then PS staggered pitch length between lines of bolt holes. The small n is the number of bolt holes in the critical section, and I subscript for summation of all the inclined legs. The figure shown in on page number 33 of this formula is for plates for design strength due to rupture of critical section for plates. Now design strength due to rupture of critical section for threaded rods is given by TDN is equal to 0.9 ANFU divided by rho m1, where An is net root area at the threaded section. These are the formulas for different sections, for single angle section, for plate, and for threaded rod for design strength due to rupture of critical section. Next is a tension member in which the step number 6 is design strength due to block shear. The strength as governed by block shear at an end connections of plate and angles is calculated as for bolted connection. The block shear strength TDB of connection shall be taken as the smaller of TDB1, that is in bracket AVG into Fy divided by root 3 rho m0 plus 0.9 ATN into Fy divided by rho m1, or TDB2, that is 0.9 AVN into Fu divided by root 3 rho m1 plus ATG Fy divided by rho m0. This formula for design strength due to block shear is given on page number 33 of IS 800 2007, in which AVG and AVN minimum gross and net area in shear along bolt line parallel to external forces respectively. ATG and ATN minimum gross and net area in tension from the bolt hole to the toe of the angle end bolt line perpendicular to the line of force respectively, and Fu, Fy. These are the ultimate and yield stress of the material respectively. From the formula the AVG is minimum gross area, which is calculated as LV into T, in which LV is equal to E plus LC. Then ABN LV minus number of bolts minus 0.5 into D0, diameter of the hole, into thickness of the plate. Then ABN LV minus number of ABN ATG LT into T, ATN LT minus D0 by 2 into T. Then TDB, that is design strength due to block shear, is a list of TDB 1 and TDB 2. These are the all steps of designing tension member. Then strength of the tension member is list of all of 3, that is design strength due to block shear, design strength of tension member due to rupture of critical section, and design strength of tension member due to yielding of cross section. Whichever is the less value, that is the strength of that tension member. These are the all steps of designing tension member. In next lecture we will see the problem based design problem of tension member, and we will design the tension member according to specification and steps given by the IS code 800/2007 in detail from next lecture for various angle sections, plates and threaded rod. Thank you.